How to fix Steam corrupt disk error. So in order to fix that, first you need to do is you need to head over and then close right here. Once you have closed your Steam, just head over and then search in here for that, and then run it as administrator. So once you have run it as administrator, it should be able to fix anything. But once it have done that and it still haven't fixed it, you can head over and then rename the downloading folder of Steam. So head over and close this again. So just go right here to your downloading folder. It should be around the local disk C, program files times 86, and then we have in here Steam. So just go right here to your Steam apps, and then from in there you should be able to see this. So the downloading folder is this one. So make sure to load or rename it into something, and then this forces Steam to create a new downloading folder. Next thing you need to do is you need to head over to Steam. Then go to Steam right here, click on settings. Then from in there, click on downloads and then click on this clear download cache. Then from in there, you should be able to head over and then get your Steam running again without those corrupt disk error. So next thing is to verify file integrity. In order to do that, head over to your library, go to your game, right click on it and click on properties, then go and then just verify the game files. Once you have done that, you should be able to fix everything. So that's how you fix Steam corrupt disk error. Thank you for watching and I hope this video helped you out.